What's good with y'all? It's the Ghoul 247 back with another video, and today pretty much I'm be doing the body work for the Camry, and then from there we're gonna have to get some coilovers, some wheels, some actual wheels, and get this thing painted so we get on the road. But I do have the front suspension coming in, but I do need to order the coilovers. That's one thing I didn't order. Everything else is on the way. That way I can get the car inspected and put it on the road so we can at least attend some car meets and stuff. But I really want to get it painted and everything before we actually take that step. But it's actually moving pretty fast. So I've been out here for about an hour working on stuff. So I'm just waiting for the fiberglass to dry on one side. And let me show you. So this is where we up this. Remember it was a big hole right here. So I filled that in. Had to trim the side up so I could put the self-tappers and get it as even as this other side. And this is another spot I'm about to fill in because it was like a little bump right there. So I'm gonna knock that down, make that nice and even. And there's one more hole to fill right here. So I'm about to jump on this side in a second. Other than that, I might have to take the headlight off in the front and lay some fiberglass in this little area because as you see, there's a gap right there, and that's nice and straight. So we definitely gonna have to do something with that, or put some heat and lift the bumper up. But I think it's just best that I take the headlight off and just put something over and fill that gap. But they got like little minor areas like this we gotta touch up anyways. So I'm about to take this headlight off. Yeah, so pretty much I'm just filling in the gaps. Like I said, with the body line of the car, I'm gonna just make this nice and smooth. It's not gonna be no line here. So it look like it's just one piece. And that's the plan. I hope it come out good. I really never did nothing like this before, so ain't nothing wrong with trying something. If I don't like it, I can go back and fix it. And with the side skirts, I plan on doing the same thing. I really don't want to leave it like this, so when I get it painted, it'll just look like one piece. So that's the plan. It's gonna be a little process. I don't got no help, so I'm trying to tackle this thing by myself real quick. I shouldn't say real quick, because it's gonna take some time to get this thing done. Picking back up with y'all a few days later. I finally got a screw to go on this side, so now I can just finish up the body work, which I'm gonna seal all these little gaps up with fiberglass, just like I did right here. Make this side right here nice and smooth, and the same thing goes for this side. So I'm about to mix some fiberglass up, lay it on there, lay that down, smooth the body out, and then from there we can prep it and get it ready for paint pretty much. But yeah, she coming along, and I also purchased another car too. I gotta pick that up soon. That's gonna be a whole nother video. But yeah, I'm excited about this. My first turbo car on the channel. So look for it, keep watching. So I got the fiberglass laid out. Of course, sand it down, make it smooth, the body line. Both sides, touch that up. Then got this side done. So the only thing I really need to tackle is the side skirts. So for one, I gotta get the side skirts that actually stick. So I gotta put some JB weld or something on that side. And then I can smooth the body line up just like I did with the bumpers. That way the car look like it's just one piece, like it's not a body kit or something. So that's my goal, that's the plan. Hopefully everything turns out right and looks good. Probably need another can of freaking fiberglass to do the side skirts. Gotta figure that out. Need to go get some JB weld. I think I did get some. Hopefully I get that to stick. But yeah, I'm gonna continue working. If I don't finish it today, I might not call out, but I probably won't go to work tomorrow or one of these days, so I can just tackle this car, finish it up. With that being said, I'm gonna go ahead, make a phone call, see if I could go get the other car towed to the shop.
Tomorrow for sure.
What's good with y'all? It's the very next day. I took off, went to the gym, of course, as you see, and I'm making some moves on the car. Right now, I did a lot of the body work last night as far as the rear bumpers, but now it's time for me to tackle the side skirts, which I already got the JB weld to actually hold it onto the bodies. After that, we can clean up the little mess that I made because I actually had to sand it down to make it nice and smooth. That way we can go with the fiberglass. But instead of talking, let me just show y'all real quick. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm definitely taking this screw out. This is just to hold the JB weld for the side skirts on the side of the body. And I had to trim the side skirts down like right here, so when we go over it, it won't be so thick. And I gotta do the same for the other side, but I also removed the front headlight too, so we can actually fill in this little gap and lift this up a little bit because it sits too low. As y'all seen, it has a gap. So yeah, that's what I've been out here doing pretty much. Fill this up right here. I think I did that yesterday though. Yeah, that's what I'm doing. I was knocking out this side, so now I'm about to put the JB weld, let that sit, and there's a good chance that I'm going to be picking up the other car that I was telling y'all about today. So let me finish sanding this down, apply the JB weld, and knock this out. Okay, so that just died on me. I guess right now I just come back and fill the body up with fiberglass and the empty spots. What else? I definitely got to sand this down. I'm not going to do that today. Side skirts, I don't know if I'm going to finish today, but it just depends on how much fiberglass I got to do everything. I just need to shape this, make this look a little bit better. And what else I gotta do? That's pretty much it, for real. I just gotta sand and fill the gaps with fiberglass until my damn thing charged back up. And then we can get some more stuff done. But so like I said, the plan is to pick up the other car at 5 o'clock today, but I'm not gonna be able to get it myself because I have to take my son to his little football practice. But I have somebody picking the car up. Just stay tuned, and it should be the next video, because of course it's not gonna be in this video, seeing that we're not gonna pick it up today. But yes, we have another car, and it's turbo. So I'm excited about this. This is definitely gonna be a work car. I'm not gonna go too crazy on it, but of course we're gonna do the basic mods, and it's gonna be a daily driver.